Today, I have set up one of the most interesting challenges yet. I programmed up a quick randomizer that will spit out a link to an asset pack. I'll then go get those assets, import it into Unity, and at which a timer will start. When that happens, I will need to speedrun making a game and see if I truly am one of the programmers of all time. I'm going to have 1 minute, 10 minutes, and 1 hour to complete this challenge, and we're going to compare all of them at the end. Alright, so we're going to have to pick our asset pack. So these are just a small list that got randomly generated by ChatGPT. So we're going to hit run. Fantasy Town Kit. Okay. Oh, okay. So I don't see any characters, but this still could be interesting to build around. Alright, well, we can't really plan too much, so we're just going to hit download, stale it. Alrighty, new project. Alright, all I gotta do is get live split set up, and then we should be good to go. Okay, I think we just gotta get started. 1 minute's gonna be real hard. Go. Okay, so we're gonna create a 3D object. We're already failing. Okay, and then we're gonna make like a sphere. We're not even, I realized we didn't even use the asset pack. We had a rigid bot. No, that's not the right thing. No. Okay, no, not rigid. No, wait, this is falling apart so quickly. Stop opening it. Remove. Thank you. Rigid body. Okay, thank you. I don't know why it loved that. Okay. And then, we're just gonna paste. Okay. What else can I do? We could add things from here. Banner, chimney, thing. I'm just gonna drab all of it. This is, well, that was a minute. So let's see what I built. So basically what I did is we are abusing the fact that technically you can interact with the scene during the game. So this game is meant to be playing with rigid bodies. This isn't really a game. It's more of breaking the rules by a lot. Yeah, this isn't good. But you know what is good? Liking and subscribing. It really helps the channel, and it takes less than a minute. Well, let's try the 10-minute mark, but actually try this time. So we're gonna reset. I can't really think. I'm not allowed to think. Okay, so what do we actually have in here? I didn't get to see. So we have stairs, we have platforms, we've got some doors and stuff. So let's find ourselves some sort of ground. You are ground. Congratulations, you are now my ground. 20. Then the next thing we want to do is some sort of buildings. We got some wall decorations, got some wheels. I saw there was a fountain, maybe? Fountain round. Okay, here we go. We're gonna go for like a Zelda-esque situation here. I don't even know. Stones. Alright, what are we looking at now? We can create a camera pivot. It did nicely around the scene. What else could we do? What do we even have in here? So we've got carts. That is not the end of the world. What do these carts look like? Okay, maybe it's like we move the cart around. So let's make you the player then. We're gonna give you a box collider. Yeah, okay. Rigid body. Okay, and then we're gonna have a player script. We're 2 minutes, a quarter of the time has passed. This is not good. I need my script. Player behavior, please. Thank you. Okay. So, public float speed. And then we're going to do void update. And then, oh wait, no, we're using the new input system, right? It's Unity 6. No, wait. Hold on. So that means we have to generate a class, and we need to do all of the new input system things. No, don't break it. Okay. So, this is then called input system underscore actions input, and we're going to say input is equal to new input system actions, input dot enabled is true, input dot player dot move dot performed. Okay, yes. Plus equals context is then going to be shoved into a move input equals context dot read value vector 2. Why is my autofill not working? I want to cry. Public vector 2. Move input. This needs to be start. Okay. Come on. No, wait. Oh. Okay. And then canceled. I don't even know if I probably have not spelled that right. This is vector 2.0. Vector 2.0. Killing me. Okay, vector 2.0. So then, yep, we got movement. That's all we need. So, void update. Form dot position plus equals move input times 10f. We're not even going to have a speed variable. Okay, back to the player. We're having an error. Did I vector 3 and vector 2? New vector 3. Move input.x. 0f. Move input.y. Okay, do that. I didn't normalize it. No, enabled. Oh man, enable. Duh. Tell me. Input.enable. It's parentheses. Okay. Okay, we got 3 minutes. Okay. No more errors. Okay, go to game. Start. Come on, we got this. The floor doesn't have floor. Okay, all of you are getting a mesh collider. Okay, go. Oh, it's gone. It's just gone. Oh, I should probably times this by time.delta time. Times time.delta time. Do I have a speed? I do have a speed. This is how you know you're being an idiot. Okay, go back in here. Yes. Okay. 6. Good enough. Alright, cool. Next, this player is going to be tagged. It doesn't need to be tagged. The rocks need to be tagged, though. Finish. Great. In the player script, because we don't even care. Void on collision enter. Collider C. If C dot game object dot tag is equal to finish. Destroy C.game object. Print. Yay. Okay. Come on. I don't have collision on script error on collision enter. Just copy it. Okay. Yes. Okay, perfect. Okay. Cool. Okay. So, next thing, the camera has to be on the player. This has to be 0, 0. Okay, go again. Okay, so the camera's a bit jittery, but we are able to collect all of the things. We don't have any more time. Oh, and it's so glitchy. Okay, what could I do? I don't even know what I could do now. Okay, yeah, I think that's it. 10 minutes. Okay, so what do we do? Let's investigate the first two before we move on to the hour, because the hour is gonna kill me. Okay, so basically in the game, we can move. This is great. This is better than the last one. 1 minute doesn't really count because, like, let's be honest here, that nothing happened. So I can collect things, but this isn't a game. There's no goal. There's also not a really good scoring system other than the console. This also doesn't really use the assets in a really good way either. Because this is like a fantasy town. Right? So, like, should I be doing other things with it? I don't even know. You know what? I wonder if this is a good experiment in planning. Maybe we spend 10 minutes planning and then 50 minutes building. So it's still an hour, but that way we can actually figure out what the heck's happening here. Because, like, okay, let's actually go to the Fantasy Town kit. Is there an example with this? There is. Okay. This is the example given by Kenny Assets. So, obviously, it's, like, meant to be a town and all that. I just wonder what the game would be in this case. It'd be a lot more story-like, I guess. Let's reset. Let's reset the timer. Well, we are technically planning, so I am gonna start the timer. So at 5:51, we need to be done this game. I immediately started laying out the groundwork, and then I was able to put together a new player controller that rotated with the movement in a nicer way. This was a great start for this longer version. Maybe even faster than that. There we go. What we'll then do is inside of player, this is the back. So we can then create an empty inside of it. This can be the target. I then immediately put together a cart controller, and what it would do is it would target the player and try and follow along. Ooh, it's doing it, it's doing it. Okay, we just gotta speed this up a lot. Then on something like this, instead of saying target.position, we can say vector3.lerp. Okay, we can do something like that, and now it's over time. I don't know how I'm gonna turn this into a game. Okay, okay, that feels a little bit better. I realized we're basically making Snake. With that epiphany, I decided to go ahead and make those rocks from earlier spawn and fall from the sky. And once you got 5 of them... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got it. Okay. 1. Oh, okay, so it's still falling. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, we got a third one. Hey, I think this has some merit to be something real. This definitely feels like a Game Jam game, but I don't think that is to discredit it either. So I hope you guys like this different kind of video, something a little bit more experimental, something to get those creative juices flowing. But yeah. If you'd like to join the community, I have a Discord. If you'd like to see us live, I do live stream on YouTube. And then, of course, we put out other stuff every single week. So go check it out, go subscribe, all that great stuff, and I will see you guys next time.